Hello, we are students from the Lycée Français of Valencia. As many of you may already know, our city has recently faced a catastrophic event, a massive storm known as Dana. This was the most devastating storm to hit our region since 1957, and the consequences have been tragic.
At least 217 people have tragically lost their lives as a result of this storm. The floods caused by Dana have severely impacted around 50,000 homes and left more than 100,000 vehicles damaged or destroyed. Entire communities have been submerged, leaving thousands of families without shelter and essential infrastructure like roads, bridges, and public transport. The worst hit areas have been the outlying villages. Many families have lost everything they had, while countless businesses are now struggling to survive. Even as we speak, rescue teams are still working around the clock to reach the hardest hit zones. But the scale of the disaster is overwhelming. This storm serves as a stark reminder of the growing threats posed by climate change. Dana has shown us that we must be better prepared for the increasing frequency and severity of extreme weather events. As students, we are committed to raising awareness about climate change and disaster preparedness. We are also focused on supporting local initiatives to rebuild and help those affected. As we move forward, let us unite in solidarity with all those impacted by this disaster. Together, we will rebuild, recover, and ensure that the lessons we learned today help to create a stronger, more resilient tomorrow.
In conclusion, Dana impact in our community has been profound, but our response can be even more powerful. By all showing solidarity, we can help rebuild and support those who have been affected. We urgently need financial support to provide aid, rebuild homes, and restore essential services. Any contribution, no matter how small, can make a significant difference in the life of those who have been affected.